Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: Merrill Edge versus Fidelity. Which one is the best brokerage for your investments in 2025? Whether you're a beginner investor or a seasoned pro, choosing the right platform can make a huge difference in your financial journey. Let's break it down step by step. First off, let's talk about fees. Fidelity often edges out with lower or even zero trading commissions on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it a budget-friendly choice. Merrill Edge, backed by Bank of America, might appeal if you already have accounts there, but it could have slightly higher fees for certain trades. So, if cost is your top concern, Fidelity might take the win. Next, investment options are key. Both brokers offer a wide range, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Fidelity shines with its vast selection of proprietary mutual funds and robust retirement tools, perfect for long-term savers. Merrill Edge integrates seamlessly with banking services, which is great for managing everything in one place, like loans or checking accounts. User experience is another big factor. Fidelity's platform is intuitive with advanced research tools, educational resources, and a highly rated mobile app that lets you trade on the go. Merrill Edge offers a clean interface too, especially if you're into guided investing or personalized advice through their advisors. However, some users find Fidelity's app faster and more feature-packed. Customer service is where things get interesting. Fidelity boasts 24/7 support with highly knowledgeable reps, while Merrill Edge provides solid access but might be more limited outside business hours. In 2025, both have enhanced security features like two-factor authentication to protect your assets. Now, who should pick which? If you're all about low costs and in-depth research, go with Fidelity. It's ideal for independent investors. On the other hand, if you prefer a bank-integrated experience with professional guidance, Merrill Edge could be your best bet. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal needs. I recommend checking both platforms with their free demo accounts. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.